Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here for the discussion of solutions of Matrix Olympiad paper which was held on 6th of October 2024. So we'll start from class 9th and the subject is physics. Let us start our discussion. In question number 1, it is said, a body moving in a straight line with an initial velocity u and a constant acceleration alpha covers a distance of 40 meter in the 4th second and a distance of 60 meter in the 6th second. Then the values of u and acceleration will be. Okay, so we have to find the value of initial velocity and acceleration. Okay, so for the distance traveled in nth second, the equation of motion is given by s nth is equals to u plus alpha upon 2n minus 1. Okay, here u is initial velocity, alpha is acceleration and n is the second. Okay, so for first 40 meter 4th second I am making an equation. So it becomes, in place of distance traveled I am writing 40 is equals to u plus alpha upon 2 and the second is 4th, so it becomes 4 to the 8, 8 minus 1, 7. Okay. Similarly, for second one, 60 meter in 6 seconds. So I am writing here 60 equal to u plus alpha upon 2 and the time is 6. So 6 to the 12, 12 minus 1, 11. It becomes 11. So we have two equations and two unknown. So by solving these, let us subtract them. I get here 20 is equals to, this is cancelled, it becomes let's say 7 alpha upon 2 minus 11 alpha upon 2. Let us take some common. It becomes alpha upon 2. So it becomes, here it is minus sign also. So it becomes 7 minus 11. Okay. So minus 20 equal to minus 4 alpha upon 2. Minus minus is cancelled. So we can see here 4 alpha is equals to 40. Then alpha is equals to 40 upon 4, which is equals to 10 meter per second square. Okay. So acceleration is 10 meter per second square. Now the value of alpha can be put in any of those equations so that we can find the value of u. So from this equation I am putting the value 40 is equals to u plus value of alpha is 10 multiplied by 7 divided by 2. 40 is equals to u plus 35. So u is equals to become 40 minus 35, which is equals to 5 meter per second. So the correct answer is 10 and 5. So 10 and 5, that means our correct answer is option D. Next question. Question number 2. The velocity of a body of mass 20 kg decreases from 20 meter per second to 5 meter per second in distance of 100 meter. The force on the body is. So let us write the values which are given here. So mass is given 20 kg. Okay. The velocity is decreased from 20 meter per second to 5 meter per second. Initial velocity is given 20 meter per second. Okay. Final velocity is given 5 meter per second. And the distance traveled is given 100. Okay. So by using third equation of motion, v square is equals to u square plus 2as. I just want to find the value of acceleration so that we can calculate the force by formula F equal to ma. So from here a is equals to become v square minus u square upon 2s. Okay. A is equals to, putting the values, 5 square minus 20 square divided by 2 into 100. So it becomes 25 minus 400 divided by 200. So A is equals to become minus 375 divided by 200. Okay. So this is the value of acceleration. Now for the formula of force, F is equals to ma. F is equals to, mass is given 20 kg. It becomes 20 multiplied by 375 in minus divided by 200. Okay. So on solving this, we'll get F equal to minus 37.5 Newton. So our correct answer is option C. Next question. In a rocket, fuel burns at the rate of 1 kg per second. This fuel is ejected from the rocket with a velocity of 60 km per second. This exerts a force on rocket equal to, we have to find the value of force, okay. So it is a system of variable mass. The velocity is constant but the mass is changing because the fuel is burning at the rate of 1 kg per second. So for that, the formula is equals to F is equals to, the main formula of force is given by V dm upon dt, okay, because the mass is changing with respect to time, velocity is constant, okay. So F is equals to, the value of V is given 60 km, that means 60 into 10 to the power 3 meter per second, and mass of fuel burning at the rate is 1 kg per second, okay. So it becomes 60 into 10 to the power 3, which is equals to, that means it becomes 60,000 Newton. So correct answer is option B. Next question number 4, which is an assertion reason question, okay. In assertion it is said, velocity time graph for an object in uniform motion along a straight path is a straight line parallel to time axis. That means it is said that if object is moving with uniform velocity in a straight path, then the graph will be like this, okay. So this is a true statement. In uniform motion of an object, velocity increases as the square of time elapsed. That means V is proportional to T square, which is a false statement. So we can say assertion is true but reason is false. So option C will be our correct answer. Next, question number 5. Question number 5 is a match the following question, okay. So we have to match the column 1 with column 2. Particle moving with constant velocity. If particle is moving with constant velocity, that means in velocity time graph, it will be straight line along time axis. So for P, I will write 2. Particle moving with increasing acceleration, that means velocity is increasing. So simply we can see for Q, I can write 3. Particle moving with negative acceleration. We know that in velocity time graph, the slope gives the value of acceleration. So the graph in which the slope is negative will be our answer. Particle moving with negative acceleration, that means we can see in first, we can see the slope is negative. So for R, I will write 1. Particle is stationary, that means the position is not changing. So for S, I will write 4. Correct code will be 2314. 2314, that means option D is our correct answer. Next question, question number 6, which is based on paragraph. So there a paragraph, some situations and conditions are given here, okay. And it is said a bullet of mass small m is fired from a gun of mass capital M with a horizontal velocity of v. This velocity v is velocity of bullet. Find the recoil velocity of the gun. We have to calculate the recoil velocity of gun using the conservation law of momentum. We know that before firing the momentum will be 0 and after firing the total momentum will be given by, so we can see here, so mass of bullet is m and its velocity is small v, plus mass of gun is capital M, let's say its recoiling velocity is Vg. So from here Vg is equals to becomes minus mv divided by capital M. In terms of magnitude, the recoiling velocity will be small m into small v upon capital M. Negative sign shows that the direction of recoiling of gun is opposite to the direction of motion of bullet. So our correct answer is option C. Next question. Question number 7, which is based on same paragraph. So let's see what is asked here. A car mass 2000 kg, okay, traveling at a speed of 30 meter per second collide with another car B of mass 1500 kg at 20 meter per second in the same direction. After colliding, the velocity of A becomes 25. Calculate the velocity of car B. Again, we will use law of conservation of momentum. So before collision, the momentum of both cars will be given by, so for car A, I will write 2000 mass of car multiplied by its speed, that means 30, plus mass of car B, that is 1500 multiplied by its speed, that is 20, okay, equal to final momentum. We know that the mass will never change, velocity will change. So after collision, the mass of car A will be same 2000 and its speed, it is said it becomes 25. Okay, 25 plus mass of car B, that is given 1500. Okay, multiplied by velocity of car B, let's say V. So here we can see by multiplying this, it becomes 60000 plus 30000, okay, is equals to, I am writing it 50 and 000, okay, plus 1500 V, okay. 60,000 plus 30,000 becomes 90,000, okay. By taking it on the LHS side, minus 50,000 is equals to 1500 V. So 90,000 minus 50,000 becomes 40,000, okay, is equals to 1500 V. So it becomes 40,000 divided by 1500 is equals to V. So V is equals to become 400 divided by 15. So from here, solving this, dividing by 5, it becomes 3, okay, it becomes 80, and on solving this, it becomes nearly about 26.7 meter per second. So our correct answer is option D. So we have discussed all the questions of subject physics. For more information regarding Matrix Olympiad, subscribe this YouTube channel. You can also join our WhatsApp channel. The link of WhatsApp channel is given in the description of this video. If you have any type of doubt, then you can press on Ask a Doubt button, which is provided on profile of MOF. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. Welcome to all of you on Matrix YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the MOF paper solution for class 9, which was conducted on 6th of October 2024. Now let's see the question. So the question is, classify the substances given in the figure into elements and compounds. Okay, so there are different type of the elements, compounds and mixtures also. Let's see the options. So the last option, option D is elements: copper, zinc, O2, F2, Hg and diamond. So these all are the elements, but in the compound form, H2O is a compound, calcium carbonate is also a compound, NaCl is a compound, but sand is not a compound. So the option D is a wrong option. Now let's see the option C, copper, zinc, oxygen, fluorine, mercury. These all are elements, but wood is a mixture. It is not a compound. So the option C is also a wrong option. Now let's see the option B, copper, zinc, oxygen, fluorine, mercury. These all are elements, but NaCl is a compound. So the option B is also a wrong option. Now let's see on the option A. The option A, in the option A, copper, zinc, oxygen, fluorine, mercury and diamond. These all are elements, and the compounds is H2O and CaCO3, means water and calcium carbonate. Yes, these all, both the compounds, both the substances are present in a compound form. So the option A is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, Shivam visited an LPG unit and found that the gas can be liquefied at specific condition of temperature and pressure. Help him to identify the correct set of the condition. Okay, now we know that the different type of the phases of the substance: solid, liquid and gas. Okay, in the solid particles, the force of attraction between constituent particles is higher than liquid and gas, and in the gas particle we can say that the intermolecular forces of attraction between the particles is the weakest. Okay, so if we want to convert any gas into the liquid, so for this process we increase the pressure and decreases the temperature. If it increases the pressure, then the particles of the gases are connected with each other, means the pressure, if it increases the pressure, the intermolecular forces of attraction between the particles are increases, so the gas convert into the liquid state. So let's see the option. So the option first is higher temperature and higher pressure. Higher pressure is suitable for this condition, but higher temperature is not suitable, because if we increase the temperature, the forces of attraction between the particles particle is less compared to the initial condition. Now the next is low temperature and low pressure. Low temperature is favorable but low pressure is not favorable. Now the next is low temperature and high pressure. So this is the right option, and in the last option, high temperature and low pressure. So the option C is the right option for this question. If we increases the pressure and decreases the temperature, then the gas particles are easily converted into the liquid state. Okay, so the option C is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is assertion reason type question. So let's see the assertion statement. The assertion is methane and ethanol are compounds. Yes, methane and ethanol both are compounds. Let's discuss on these compounds. Methane. Methane is a compound. The formula of the methane is CH4. It is a well-known hydrocarbon and it is alkene, means in this compound carbon and hydrogen are connected with the single bond, and methane is a gas also which is known as the marsh gas. Okay, and next compound is the ethanol. Ethanol is a compound which belongs to the category alcohol, and the formula of the ethanol is CH3CH2OH. Okay, so both the species are compound in nature, because the reason is properties of compounds are different from the properties of the constituting elements. Yes, we know that the compounds are made up by the different particles. Okay, so the methane is formed by the combination of carbon and hydrogen. So the nature of the carbon and hydrogen is different from the nature of the methane. So the reason and assertion both are the correct statement, and reason correctly explain the assertion. So the option 1, both assertion and reason are the true, and the reason is a correct explanation of assertion. So the option A is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is match column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Okay, now let's see the column first. In the column first, P is fog, Q is smoke, R is steel, and S is toothpaste. Means these all are the examples of different colloidal solutions. And in the column second, first is solid in solid, second is solid in gas, third is solid in liquid, and fourth one is liquid in gas. Now let's discuss on this P point. First P point is fog. Fog is the combination of liquid in gas. Means in the fog there are different liquid particles which is present in the gaseous particles. So the liquid in gas means fog is matched with fourth option. Now the next is smoke. In the smoke, the dust particles means the solid particles are dissolved in the gaseous particle. So the smoke is matched with solid in gas, means Q is matched with the second option. Now the steel. Steel is an example of alloy. In the alloy process, the solid particle attached with solid particle means alloy is a mixture of metal, and we can say metal and non-metal. So the steel is solid in solid, R matched with first, and toothpaste. In the toothpaste, solid particles are present in the liquid particle. So the P match with fourth option, Q match with second option, okay, R match with first option, and S match with third option. So the 4, 2, 1, 3. 4, 2, 1, 3. It means B is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is paragraph based question. Let's see the paragraph. Elements have been discovered so far. It consists of metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Most of the metals are solid except mercury. Most of the metals have high melting and boiling point except sodium, potassium, and lithium. Non-metals exist in solid, liquid, as well as in gaseous state. Metalloids resemble both with metals, and non-metals are solids. Okay, so now let's see the question. The question is, which elements are liquid in state? We know that the metals are generally present in the solid state except some metals like mercury, okay. And in the non-metals are exist in all the three categories: solid, liquid and gas. Basically like sulfur, phosphorus, these are carbon, these are present in the solid form, okay. And the gaseous form, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, these all are present in the gaseous form. But the single non-metal which is present in liquid state, that is bromine, okay. So let's see the options. The question is, which elements are liquid in state? First is mercury and chromium. Mercury is liquid but chromium is not. Hg and cesium. Hg is liquid but cesium is not a liquid. Cesium have very low melting point but it is not present in the liquid state. Now the next is mercury and barium. Barium is not present in the liquid state. Now next is the Hg and Br2. Okay, Hg is a metal which is present in the liquid state, and bromine is a non-metal which is present in liquid state. So the option C is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. In the next question, the paragraph is same, but the question is, let's see the question. The question is, which of the following is a correct set of metalloids? Okay. Now let's see the option. In the option D, silicon, germanium, polonium and silver, they all are not categorized in the metalloids because silver and polonium are metals. So the option D is a wrong option. Next, let's discuss on the C, boron, silicon, phosphorus and polonium. In this compound, polonium is a metal, phosphorus is non-metal. So these all are not metalloids. Boron, sulfur, then gallium and astatine, sulfur is also a non-metal. So B option is also a wrong statement, or we can say wrong option. Now let's see the A. In the A, silicon, germanium, arsenic and antimony, and they all are categorized in the metalloids. So the option A is the right option for this question. Thank you. For more information regarding Matrix Olympiad, you can subscribe our YouTube channel or you can join our WhatsApp channel also. And if you have any doubt, any query regarding any question, so there is one option, ask a doubt. So you can ask your any doubt, any query in that section. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about biology paper solution for class 9th. Let's start. First question. First question is, chemical modification of substance like glycolation of protein and lipid occur in chloroplast, that is wrong. Golgi body, that is right. Lysosome wrong and ribosome wrong. In Golgi body, packaging process occurs, so we called protein and lipid glycolation. So right answer according to question is option B. Next question is, which of the following structure is not found in prokaryotic cell? Prokaryotic mean bacterial cell. In bacterial cell, two nucleus absent because nuclear envelope absent. So plasma membrane wrong, nuclear envelope right option. So option B is correct answer for this question. Next question is which are not true cell in blood? Monocyte, basophil, platelets and neutrophils. Our right answer is platelet is not true cell in blood. Next question is, assertion A, meristematic tissue have a prominent nucleus and abundant cytoplasm. Reason, cells is meristematic tissue are continuously dividing. According to assertion and reason, options are both assertion A and reason are true and R is correct explanation of this assertion. According to question, meristematic tissue have prominent nucleus and abundant cytoplasm, that is right. and cells of meristematic are continuously dividing, right. And in other option, both assertion reason are true but not correct, and are false are true and A false, that is wrong. So our right answer is option A, because reason is correct explanation for assertion. Next question is, match column first and second. Columnar epithelium, ciliated epithelium, squamous epithelium and cuboidal epithelium. These are the all parts of epithelial tissue. In column second, duct of gland, inner lining of stomach and intestine, inner lining of bronchioles and endothelium. Now correct match is P. P is correct match with second, inner lining of stomach and intestine, inner lining of stomach and intestine. So columnar epithelium match with second, P match with second, and ciliated epithelium, inner lining of bronchioles, because cilia help in movement or prevent the dust particle in lungs. So correct matching Q 2, 3. And squamous epithelium for endothelium, or last one is cuboidal for duct of glands. So 2, 3, 4, 1 in option D. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Next question is paragraph question. A human body is made up of trillion of cells. There are various organisms with a single cell, such as amoeba. All cells divide to form new cells and possess several organelles to carry out various life functions. And the cells of an organism carry the same genetic material which carry all hereditary information of an individual. That is why it is called basic unit of life. According to this paragraph question, cell. Explain cell. Carbohydrates are present in the cell membrane in the form of hemicellulose, no. Cellulose, no. Glycoprotein. Glycoprotein is the right answer. Right answer is glycoprotein. In given diagram, glycoprotein present in this condition. Next question is, the fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane. Fluid mosaic of plasma membrane. Upper layer is non-polar and hydrophilic, wrong. Polar layer is hydrophobic, wrong. Protein form middle layer, wrong. Middle layer is lipid. Phospholipid form bimolecular layer in middle part. So right answer is option D. And these are the all solution for class 9th biology portion. So for more update, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello and welcome to paper solution of class 9th mathematics. Our first question, the LCM of two numbers is 39,780 and the ratio are 13:15. Then the numbers are, just assume the numbers are 13x and 15x. So LCM of 13x and 15x will be the 13 multiply 15x. Okay, so it will be equal to 39,780. So when we will simplify, we will get x equal to 204. Now the numbers are 13x, means 13 multiplied 204. So when you will solve, you will get 2652. And another number 15x equal 15 into 204. So you will get 3060. So the numbers are option B, 2652 and 3060. Our next question, if x plus 1 upon x equal 3, then the value of x raised to power 6 plus 1 upon x raised to power 6. Okay, so x plus 1 upon x equal to 3, taking square both side, so we will get x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 into x into 1 upon x equal square of 3, 9, using the identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it will cancel out, so you will get x square plus 1 upon x square equal 7. It will be the equation 1. Now we have to find x raised to power 6 plus 1 upon x raised to power 6. So we will take the cube of this equation. So cube of equation 1 will be this one. Now using the identity a plus b whole cube, that will be the a cube, means x raised to power 6 plus b cube 1 upon x raised to power 6 plus 3ab 3x square into 1 upon x square multiply a plus b x square plus 1 upon x square equal cube of 7 343. So you will get x raised to power 6 plus 1 upon x raised to power 6 plus, it will cancel out, 3 multiply x square plus 1 upon x square 7. So you will get equal 343. So value of x raised to power 6 plus 1 upon x raised to power 6 will be the 343 minus 21, that is 322. So our correct answer is option D, 322. Next question, the distance of the point -4, -3 from the origin. What are the coordinate of the origin? 0, 0. So the distance from origin will be the O. Just assume this point is A. So OA equal root 0 plus 4 square plus 0 plus 3 square. That is root 16 plus 9 root 25. That is 5 unit. Using the formula, distance formula, root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so our option is C, 5 unit. Next question, what could be the graph of x minus y equal 0? So check, x minus y equal 0, so x equal y. It means if x 0, you will get y equal to 0. It means graph will pass through the origin. Only this graph is passing through the origin. No one graph is passing through the origin. So this one is this one, not answer. Only option A will be the correct answer. Next question, two straight line AB and CD intersect one another at point O. If angle AOC plus angle COB plus angle BOD equal 274 degree, then the value of angle AOD. Okay, so two lines AB and CD intersect one another at a point O. Angle AOC, this angle, plus angle COB, this angle, plus angle BOD, this angle. Sum of these angles is 274 degree. So what is the value of angle AOD? You know the sum of complete angle, complete rotation is 360 degree. So just assume it angle x. So x plus 274 equal 360 degree. So x equal 360 degree minus 274. So you will get value of 86 degree. So your correct answer is option A, 86 degree. Next question, consider the following statement when two straight line intersect. Okay, so adjacent angle are complementary. When two lines intersect each other, the adjacent angles are supplementary, not complementary. So this one is false. Adjacent angle are supplementary. Yes, this one is true. Opposite angles are equal. Yes, opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So this one is true. Fourth one, opposite angle are supplementary. This one is false. So it is asking which of the above statement are correct. Above statement are correct, that is second and third. Option B will be the correct answer. Next question, the side BC of a triangle ABC is produced to a point D. A triangle ABC, the side BC is produced to till D. The bisector of angle A meets side BC in L. Okay, so it is bisector, means these two angles are equal. If angle AB is equal to 30 degree, angle AC equal to 115 degree, now then the value of angle ALC, okay, angle BAC plus angle ABC equal to angle ACD. Why? Sum of two interior angle of a triangle is equal to the third exterior angle. So angle BAC 2x plus angle ABC 30 equal to 115. So value of 2x equal to 115 minus 30, that is 85 degree. So value of x will be the 42.5 degree. Okay, now the value of angle ALC, will be the sum of x plus 30 degree. Sum of two interior angle is equal to the exterior angle. So x plus 30 angle ALC equal to x plus 30. So x 42.5 plus 30 degree. So you will get 72.5 degree. Option B will be the correct answer. Next question, observe the given figure and find the value of z in terms of x and y. Figure is given, we have to find the value of z in terms of x and y. So in this figure, this angle is z, so this angle is also z, reason vertically opposite angle. Okay, and if this angle is x, then this angle is 180 degree minus x, linear pair of angle. So you know that sum of two interior angle is equal to the third exterior angle. It means z plus 180 minus x equal to y. So value of z equal to y plus x minus 180 degree. So which relation satisfy the value of z? Well, y plus x minus 180. X plus y minus 180. Option B will be the correct answer. Next, the value of root 3 minus 2 root 2. So you can write 3 as 1 plus 2 minus 2 root 2. Okay, so 1 with square of 1 plus 2 is square of root 2 minus 2 into 1 into root 2. So it will be the identity a square plus b square minus 2ab. It means a minus b whole square. So after simplification you will get root 2 minus 1. So our correct answer is option A, root 2 minus 1. Next question, if x raised to power 51 plus 51 is divided by x plus 1, then the remainder is, okay, x की power 51 plus 51 is divided by x plus 1. So first of all, use the remainder theorem and put x plus 1 equal to 0. So you will get x equal to minus 1. So p of minus 1 equal to minus 1 raised to power 51 plus 51. So you will get minus 1 plus 51. So your remainder is 50. So your remainder is 50. Option D will be the correct answer. Next question, the points A minus 4 comma minus 1, B minus 2 comma minus 4, C 4 comma 0, D 2 comma 3 are vertices of parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus or square. So we have to find the perfect answer. So first of all we will find all four side and the diagonal. Okay, so all four side AB will be the minus 4 minus of minus 2 square plus minus 1 plus 4 square. So AB will be 2 square 4 plus 3 square 9, that is root 13. Similarly BC will be the 4 minus minus 2, 6 square plus 0 plus 4, 4 square, so you will get 36 plus 16, that is root 52. Similarly CD, 4 minus 2 square, 2 square plus 3 minus 0 square, that is 3 square, so 9 plus 4 root 13. Now AD, 4 minus 2 minus 6 square plus minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 square, so you will get 36 plus 16, that is root 52. It means opposite sides are equal. Now check the diagonal AC. Diagonal AC, 4 minus 4, that distance will be the 8, so 8 square plus 1 square, that is root 65. And similarly BD, 4 square plus 7 square, that is 49 plus 16, that is root 65. Here the side AB, BC, CD and DA are equal, and the diagonal AC and BD are equal. It means it is a rectangle, so option B will be the correct answer. Next question, let A equal to cube root of 6 plus root 2 plus cube root of 6 plus root 2. It is a following a pattern, so A equal cube root of 6 plus root 2, it is also A, so we can write A. Now taking the cube both side, you will get A cube equal 6 plus root 2 plus A. Now it is saying Px is a polynomial of degree 6 such that Pa equal to 0. So first of all convert this in power of 6. So we will take again its square. So you will get A raised to power 6 equal 6 square 36 plus square of root 2 plus A, that will be the 2 plus A plus 2 into 6 into root 2 plus A square plus B square plus 2AB. So you will get A raised to power 6 equal to 36 plus 2 plus A plus 12 root 2 plus A. So you will get A raised to power 6 minus A minus 12 multiply 2 plus A minus 38 equal to 0. Why? Because it is saying it is Pa equal to 0. It means when in the polynomial we put A, then you will get Pa equal to 0. Then P2 equal. So the polynomial Pa equal to 0. Now we put A equal to 2. So you will get 2 raised to power 6 minus 2 minus 12 into 2 plus 2 4 minus 38. Now P2 equal 2 raised to power 6, 64 minus 2 minus 24 minus 38. So you will get 0. So our correct answer is option A, 0. Question number 33. On selling a TV at 5% gain and a fridge at 10% gain, Reliance Digital gains 2000. But if it sells TV at 10% gain and the fridge at 5% loss, it gains 1500 rupees on the transaction. Find the actual price of TV. Okay, just assume price of TV equal X and price of fridge equal Y. So the gain will be the 5x upon 100 on TV and on fridge, that is 10y upon 100, and total profit 2000. So after simplification you will get x upon 20 plus y upon 10 equal 2000. So you will get x plus 2y equal 40,000, equation 1. Now after that is saying 10% gain on TV, that is 10x upon 100 minus 5% loss on fridge, that is 5 upon 100 y equal the gain is 1500. So you will get 1 upon 10x minus 1 upon 20 y equal 1500. So you will get 2x minus y equal 30,000, equation 2. Now you have to find the actual price of TV. So it means we will eliminate the price of fridge. So multiply equation 2 by 2. So you will get 4x minus 2y equal 60,000. Now add equation 1 and 2. So you will get 5x equal to 1 lakh. So x you will get, that is 20,000 rupees. So our correct answer is option A, 20,000. Next question, if D, E and F are the midpoint of the side BC, CA and AB respectively of triangle ABC. There is a triangle ABC. D, E and F are the midpoint of BC, CA and AB respectively. Then DEF congruent to. So join DE and F. F and E are the midpoint of AB and AC respectively. So it will half of BC and parallel to BC. So it means FE equal to BD equal DC. Similarly, DE equal to AF equal to BF, and DF is equal to DE equal to CE. It means triangle DEF. So triangle DEF will congruent to triangle with the SSS congruency rule. It will congruent to AFE. It will congruent to AFE. It will be congruent to EDC. It will congruent to FBD. Okay. So triangle DEF congruent to ABC? No. Triangle AEF, not. It will congruent to AFE. BFD not congruent to BFD, not congruent to CDE. Triangle congruent to AFE. Triangle congruent to AFE. Congruent to FBD, congruent to FBD, congruent to EDC, congruent to EDC. It means option D will be the correct answer. Next question, simplify 1 plus 1 upon x, 1 plus 1 upon x plus 1, 1 plus 1 upon x plus 2 minus 1. So when you add it, you will get x plus 1 upon x. When you add this one, you will get x plus 2 upon x plus 1. When you will add this one, you will get x plus 3 upon x plus 2 minus 1. So x plus 1 to x plus 1, x plus 2 to x plus 2. So you will get x plus 3 upon x minus 1. After simplification, you will get x plus 3 minus x upon x. So x to x cancel out, you will get 3 upon x. So after simplification, you will get option A, 3 upon x. Okay. Next question, in the following figure, what is the equation of a line? So see here, equation is passing through the point 0, 3 and minus 3, 0. Okay. So what is the equation of a line? Y minus y1 upon x minus x1 equal y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So it will be the y minus y1. Just assume it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. So it will be y minus y1 3 upon x minus x1, x minus 0 equal y2 minus y1 0 minus 3 upon minus 3 minus 0. So you will get y minus 3 upon x equal minus 3 upon minus 3, that is 1. So y minus 3 equal x. So you will get x minus y plus 3 equal 0. So our equation is x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Option C will be the correct answer. Next question, 37 number question is a sequence based question, and we have to arrange the sequence to find the value of something. So in the given figure, AB parallel to CD, find the value of x. So for finding the value of x, first of all, what we do? We draw a line parallel to AB or CD. So our first step, draw EF parallel to CD such that angle X equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. So angle X will be divided into two angles, angle 1 and angle 2. So Q is the first step. Now after that, we know that angle 1 plus 108 degree equal to 180 degree, and angle 2 plus 112 equal to 180 degree. So which step may be the next? That may be the step S or P. One of these step will be the. So next step S or P, and third step will be the P or S. Okay. After that, 108 plus angle 1 equal to 180 degree, so angle 1 equal to 72 degree. We have got angle 1, and similarly we have got angle 2. Now next last step will be the angle X equal to angle 1 plus angle 2, that is angle X equal to 72 plus 68, that is 140 degree. So last step will be the R. So our sequence will be the QSPR or QPSR. So our sequence is in option QSPR. So option C will be the correct answer. Next question, if both x minus 2 and x minus 1 upon 2 are factors of fx, show that P equal to R. We have to prove P equal to R, so we have to arrange in the sequence. So first of all, what you do, you put these equal to 0, both factor equal to 0. So first of all we put f2 equal to 0, so you will get 4p plus r, and f1 plus 2 equal to 0, so you will get p plus 4r equal to minus 10. You will get two equations, 4p plus r equal to minus 10 and p plus 4r equal to minus 10. So after solving this, you will get p equal to r. So first step is option P or R. Second step will be the R or P. Third step will be the Q, and fourth step will be the S. So PRQS, PRQS and P or RPQS, but RPQS not in the option. So option B will be the correct answer. Next question number 39. Assertion: if the coordinates of the midpoint of the side AB and AC of a triangle ABC are D and E respectively, then BC equal to 20 units. Reason: the lines joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to half of it. Okay, reason is correct. Assertion we have to check, and why? Because we know that in a triangle, if we join the two midpoint of the two side of a triangle, that will parallel to the third side and it will be the half of it. So check the assertion first. Triangle ABC and D is the midpoint of AB, so coordinate of D are 3, 5 and coordinate of E, that is midpoint of AC, is minus 3, minus 3. So the distance DE will be the root 3 minus of minus 3, that is 3 plus 3 square, plus 5 minus of minus 3, that is 5 plus 3 square, that is root 100, that is 10 units. Okay, so this one is 10 units. So what is the length of BC? It will be the double of this distance, so this one will be the 20 units. So assertion is correct, and we are using the same reason because D and E are the midpoint of the AB and AC, and DE is half of the BC. So if DE equal to 10 units, so BC equal to the 20 units. So assertion and both are correct, and it is the correct explanation. Next question: there are infinite number of lines which passes through 3, 2. Yes, if there is a point 3, 2, so infinite many lines will be the pass through this point. And reason: a linear equation in two variable has infinite many solutions. Yes, a linear equation in two variable may have infinite many solutions, but it is not a correct explanation of the assertion. Why? It is the meaning of this statement is that there are infinite many points on the line. And what is the meaning of this point? Infinite many lines passing through this particular point. So it means both are correct, but it is not a correct explanation. So option B will be the correct answer. Next, 41st question, which of the following statement is true or false? First, the two line segment have different length, they are congruent. No, different length line segments are not congruent, so this one is false. Second, point A 0, 0, B 0, 3, C 0, 7 and D 2, 0 forms a quadrilateral. See, all 3 points A, B, C, all 3 points x coordinate is 0. It means all 3 points are lying on y-axis. It means they can form only the triangle, not the quadrilateral. So this one is also false. Third, P and Q are two odd prime number, then P square minus Q square are composite. If P and Q both are odd prime number, so P square minus Q square, it will be the P plus Q and P minus Q. So when you put the value, definitely you will get multiple of two numbers. If you are getting multiple of two numbers, it may be prime, it may be not prime, but multiple of two number will never prime, so it will composite. So third one is correct, third one is true. Fourth, the value of Px equal x square minus 3x minus 4 at x minus 1 is 0. Let's check P of minus 1. So minus 1 square minus 3 of minus 1 minus 4. So you will get 1 plus 3 minus 4, it is 0. Yes, at x equal to minus 1, it is 0. So this one is also true. So correct answer is FFTT. FFTT. Option D will be the correct answer. Question number 42. Which of the following statement is true or false? Points 2, 2, 0, 0, 3, 0 are non-collinear. Yes, 0, 0 and 3, 0. These points are lying on the x-axis, but this point is lying in first quadrant. It means these are not collinear. So first one is true. Second one is decimal expansion of 246 upon 27 multiply 5 raised to power minus 3 terminates after 5 places of decimal. So you can write 246 multiply 5 raised to power 3 upon 27. So after simplification, you will get, you cut by 3, then you will get 82, and here you will get 9. Now you cannot cancel out. In the denominator, the number are other than 2 or 5 after simplification, so it will not terminate, it will non-terminating repeating number. So second one is false. Third one, if two legs of right angle triangle are equal to two legs of another right angle triangle, then the right triangle are congruent. There are two right angle triangle, then two legs are equal, it is in 90 degree. So using the congruency rule, as these triangle will congruent. So third one is true. Fourth, every binomial is a polynomial. Yes, every binomial is a polynomial. So fourth one is true. So our correct answer is TFTT. TFTT. Option A will be the correct answer. Next question, which of the following statement is true or false? First, 0 of a polynomial is always 0. No, 0 of a polynomial may be any number. So it is not a 0. The mirror image of 4 minus 2 on the x-axis. The point 4 minus 2 and its image in the x-axis, that will be the 4, 2. But it is given that is minus 4, minus 2. So second one is also false. Third one, none of the point lie on the x-axis. It is saying none of these points. 2, 0, minus 3, 0, these 2 points are lying on the x-axis because y coordinates are 0. It means this 1 is also false. Fourth one, root 2 is a polynomial of degree 0. Yes, root 2 is a real number and every real number is a polynomial of degree 0. So fourth one is correct. So our correct answer is FFFT. FFFT. Option B will be the correct answer. Next question number 44. Match column first and second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Okay. These triangles are congruent to each other. It is given in the questions. We have to check which congruency it is following. Okay, so check in the P. It is 90 degree. Then this one is also 90 degree. So, and this side is common. So, it is hypotenuse. That is side. That is right angle. So, P is following the RHS congruency. So, triangle ABD congruent to ACD using the RHS congruency. So P's correct answer is first. And in Q, this side is also common in both triangle BAD and triangle DCB. So these triangle will be congruent to using the rules side, side, side. So Q's correct answer is 2. Third one, the triangle ADC congruent to triangle CBA. It is given that these sides are parallel to each other and these sides are parallel to each other. It means alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. It means it is following the rules, that is A as A, because the side AC is common in both triangle. So it is following A as A. That is fourth one is the correct answer. And in S you can see these angles are equal. And this side is equal to this side is equal to this side. It means it is following as congruency rule. So option 3 will be the correct. So our correct answer is 1, 2, 4, 3. 1, 2, 4, 3. Option A will be the correct answer. Question number 45. Match column first and column second and select the correct answer using the code given below. So P, it can written as 81 raised to power minus 2 raised to power 1 upon 4, and 81 can be written as 3 raised to power 4 raised to power minus 2 raised to power 1 upon 4. So you will get 3 raised to power 4 into minus 2 into 1 upon 4. So you will get 3 raised to power minus 2, that is 1 upon 9. So correct answer is option 3. Q, if A upon B power x minus 2 and equal B upon A raised to power x minus 4. So you can write A upon B raised to power x minus 2 equal A upon B raised to power minus of x minus 4. Okay, so when you compare it, you will get x minus 2 equal minus x plus 4. So after simplification, you will get 2x equal to 6, x equal to 3. So the value of x equal to 3. Fourth is the correct for Q. Now R, if x equal to 9 plus 4 root 5, then root x minus 1 upon root x. So x equal 9 plus 4 root 5. So you can write x as 4 plus 5 plus 4 root 5. So you will get x equal 2 plus root 5 whole square. So value of root x equal to 2 plus root 5. Okay, now it is saying root x minus 1 upon root x. So 1 upon root x will be the 1 upon 2 plus root 5. After rationalization, you will get root 5 minus 2, multiply and divide with root 5 minus 2. So 1 upon root x, you will get root 5 minus 2 upon 1. So root x minus 1 upon root x, you will get 2 plus root 5 minus root 5 minus 2. So you will get 4. Okay, so value of root x minus 1 upon root x, it is option first 4. Now S, 81 upon 16 raised to power minus 3 upon 4. So 81 upon 16 raised to power minus 3 upon 4 multiply 64 upon 27 raised to power minus 1 upon 3. So 81 upon 16, it will be the 3 upon 2 raised to power 4 raised to power minus 3 upon 4 multiply 4 upon 3 raised to power 3 raised to power minus 1 upon 3. So here you will get 3 upon 2 raised to power minus 3 multiply 4 upon 3 raised to power minus 1. So after simplification you will get 2 upon 3's cube multiply 3 upon 4. So you will get 2 upon 9. So our correct answer is option second, 2 upon 9. So the code will be the 3412. 3412. Option C will be the correct answer. Question number 46. Match column first and column second and select the correct answer using the code given below. P 3a square plus 8 minus 4ab. So it is unlike term no quadratic trinomial. Yes, it is a quadratic trinomial because highest power is the 2 and 3 terms are there, so it is a trinomial. Q 2 terms are there and these are unlike term, so first option is correct. R minus 25x plus 3, it is a linear polynomial. So 4 and S 1 upon 10x square plus y square plus 13xy upon 100 plus 8. It is a quadratic polynomial and it is a 4 terms, so quadratic tetranomial. So our correct answer is 2143. 2143. Option D will be the correct answer. Next question. Rosni was making a toy butterfly with sticks for her younger sister. She arranged the sticks as shown in the figure. AB and CD are two sticks joined at O and third intersecting stick OP is also joined to hold the toy butterfly. Based on the above information, answer the following question. Question number 47. The value of y in the figure. This angle is y, so this is also y, vertically opposite angle, and it is a straight line. So sum of angle on a straight line is 180 degree. So 5y equal to 120 degree, y equal to 120 upon 5, that is 24 degree. Option A will be the correct answer. Next, what will be the sum of interior angle of both the wings of butterfly? That is 4y plus x, but x equal to 4y because vertically opposite angle. So 4y plus 4y, that is 8y, and we have value of y 24 degree. So 24 into 8, that is 192 degree. 192 degree. Option C will be the correct answer. Question number 49. Aditya purchased two type of chocolates A and B at the rate of X and Y respectively. Total amount of spent is 7 rupees. After reaching home, he forms a linear equation into variable of two types of chocolate. He prepared a table and graph of a linear equation as shown in adjoining graph. Our question is, which of the following point line on X plus Y equal 7? So the point satisfying the equation will lie on the X plus Y equal to 7. So when we put 3, 4, 3 plus y equal to 7, it is satisfying, but the sum is 6, sum is 9, sum is 8. So it is not lying on this line. So option A will be the correct answer. Next, question number 50. How to represent the above situation in the linear equation in two variable? Okay, so the line is passing through the point A 0, 7, B 7, 0. It means equation of a line is y minus y1 upon x minus x1 equal y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So y, just assume y1 equal to 7, that is y minus 7 upon x minus 0, y2 minus y1, 0 minus 7 upon b, x2 minus x1, 7 minus 0. So you will get y minus 7 upon x equal minus 7 upon 7, that is minus 1. So you will get y minus 7 equal to minus x. that is x plus y equal to 7. So our equation is x plus y equal to 7. Option C will be the correct answer. I hope आपका एग्जाम बहुत अच्छा रहा होगा और इस एग्जाम से रिलेटेड अगर आपकी कोई भी क्वेरी हो तो आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर जाके आज के क्वेश्चन में अपनी क्वेरी पूछ सकते हैं। इसी के साथ मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड से रिलेटेड आपको जो सारे के सारे अपडेट्स हैं वो हमारे व्हाट्सएप चैनल पर अवेलेबल है, जिसका लिंक इसके डिस्क्रिप्शन में गिवन है। थैंक यू सो मच।
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 9th reasoning conducted on 6th October 2024. Hope you did very well. So let's get started. So question number 51. Look at this series. Series is 6, 24, 60, 120. What number should come next? Find the next number after 120. So first find the pattern of the given series. What is the pattern used in this series? So pattern of the series is 2 cube minus 2, it means 6. Now 3 cube minus 3, it means 24. Similarly 4 cube minus 4, 4 cube it means 64 minus 4, it means 60. Now 5 cube minus 5, 5 cube minus 5 cube it means 125 minus 5 it means 120. Similarly 6 cube minus 6, 6 cube it means 216 minus 6 it means 210. So 210 is the next term of the given series. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move to the next question. Now next question is question number 52. Look at this series. So series is Q1F S2E U6D W21C and find the next. What should come in the place of question mark? So first, taking first alphabet of the each term. Taking first alphabet of each term. So first alphabet of first term is Q. First alphabet of second term is S. First alphabet of third term is U. After U, next is W. After W, next is missing. So place value of Q is 17. Now place value of S is 19. Place value of U is 21. Place value of W is 23. So pattern is plus 17 plus 2 it means 19. Now 19 plus 2 it means 21. 21 plus 2 it means 23. Now 23 plus 2 it means 25. So here is Y because place value of Y is 25. So first missing alphabet is Y. Now taking second alphabet of each term. Second alphabet. So second alphabet of first term is F. Second alphabet of second term is E. Second alphabet of third term is D. Second alphabet of fourth term is C. Now next is missing. So F it means 6. Place value of 6. Place value of E is 5. Place value of D is 4. Place value of C in English alphabet is 3. Now 6, 5, 4, 3 similar 2. It means B. So second missing alphabet is B. Now find the number series. So number series is 1, 2, 6, 21 and find the next. 1 multiply by 1 plus 1 it means 2. Now 2 multiply by 2 plus 2 it means 6. Similar 6 multiply by 3 plus 3 it means 21. Now 21 multiply by 4 plus 4. 21 multiply by 4 it means 84 plus 4 it means 88. So missing number is 88. Y88B is the next term of given series. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. Now next question is question number 53. Ram starts from a point A, walks 10 km north, then turns right and walks for 7 km, then turns right again and walks for another 10 km and reaches point B. How far is Ram from the starting point? Before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 types of main direction. this is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. And there are 4 types of cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. Now according to question, Ram starts from point A. A is the starting point of Ram. Now Ram walks 10 km towards south direction. So first Ram goes 10 km towards north direction. Then turns right, and walks for 7 km, and walks for 7 km. Then turns right again, and walks another 10 km. Then turns right again and walks for another 10 km. And reach point B. So how far is Ram from the starting point? So find the distance between starting point and end point. Find the distance between A and B. So find the distance between A and B. So distance between A and B is 7 km. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. Now next question is question number 54. Kanishk walks 10 km towards north. From there he walks 6 km towards south. Then he walks 3 km towards east. How far and in which direction is he from the starting point? Let's suppose A is the starting point of Kanishk. Now Kanishk walks 10 km towards south direction. First Kanishk goes 10 km towards north direction. Now from there he walks 6 km towards south. Now from there he walks 6 km towards south. So this is the south of this point, and walks 6 km. Total is 10. Now he walks 6 km towards south direction. Then he walks 3 km towards east. So this is the east of this point, and he walks 3 km towards east direction. How far? So this is the final point of Kanishk. Let's suppose B is the final point of Kanishk. Now find the distance. How far? Find the distance between A and B. Find the shortest distance between A and B. Let's suppose this point is C. So value of AC is equals to, total is 10 minus 6. It means 4 km. Value of BC is equals to 3 km. So now in a right angle triangle, ACB, using Pythagoras theorem, so hypotenuse, it means AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. So value of AC is equals to 4 square, plus value of BC is 3 square. Now AB square is equals to 4 square, it means 16, plus 3 square, it means 9. AB square is equals to 25. Now AB is equals to root 25. So AB is equals to 5 km. So distance between starting point and end point is 5 km. So here 5 km. Now in which direction? Now find the direction of B with respect to starting point. It means A. So B is in, this is the east of A, and this is the north of A. So B is in northeast of A. So 5 km northeast is the correct answer of this question. So here 5 km northeast, it means option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move to the next question. Now next question is question number 55. In the following series, how many 4 are preceded by 5 but not followed by 2 and 3? So 4 preceded by 5, it means 5 is coming before 4. Before 4, it means 5, 4. Now 4 not followed by 2 and 3. So 4 not followed by 2 and 3, it means 2 and 3 are not coming after 4. It means 4, 2, 2, 3 are not coming. So these 4 do not follow this rule, should not be counted. So check this 4. So 4 preceded by 5. Now check the next 4. 4 preceded by 5. Find the next 4. 4 followed by 2. So these type 4 is not countable. Now next 4, check the next 4. 4 is preceded by 5. Find the check the next 4. 4 is preceded by 5. Find the next 4. 4 is followed by 2. So these type 4 is not countable. So how many 4 are there? So these number of these type 4 is 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. So now let's move on to the next question. Question number 56. In a row of boys, A is 15th place from the left and B is 14th place from the right. There are 7 boys between A and B. What could be the minimum number of boys in the row? Given is position of A from the left is 15th. Now position of B from the right end is 14. Now there are 7 boys between A and B. Number of mid person is equals to 7. What could be the minimum number of boys in the row? Find the total number of boys, total minimum number of boys. So formula is left position of first person plus right position of the second person minus number of mid person minus 2. So left position of first person is 15 plus right position of the second person is 14 minus number of mid person is 7 minus 2. So 15 plus 14, it means 29 minus 7 minus 2. 29 minus 7 minus 2, it means minus 9. 29 minus 9, it means 20. So there are 20 minimum boys in this row. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. So now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 57. This question is based on given matrix. The value of each letter is product of its row and column. So value of B, according to question, value of B is equals to number of row is 0. Now number of column is also 0. The product of the row and column is the value of given letters. So value of B is equals to 0. Now value of O. Value of O is equals to number of row is 0 and number of column is 1. So 0 multiplied by 1, it means 0. So find the letter which make the least total among the alternatives. So find the least total from the given alternatives. So value of option A. So D, option A is DKA. So value of D. So number of row is 1 and number of column is 4. So 1 multiplied by 4, it means 4. Now plus value of K. So where is K? Value of K is 4, number of row is 4 and number of column also 4. 4 into 4 plus now value of A. So value of A, number of row is 2 and number of column also 2. 2 multiplied by 2. So value of option A, total value of option A is 4 plus 16 plus 4. So it means 24. So value of option A is 24. Now find the value of option B, F, H, Y. So value of F, row is 3 and column is 0. So 3 multiplied by 0 plus. Now value of h. Value of h is row is 1 and column is 2. So 1 multiplied by 2 plus. So value of y, where is y? Value of y. Number of row is 4 and number of column is 2. So 4 multiplied by 2. So 3 multiplied by 0, it means 0, plus 2 multiplied by 1, it means 2, plus 4 multiplied by 2, it means 8. So value of option B is 10. Now option C. Option C is ODX. So value of O, 0 multiplied by 1. 0 multiplied by 1 plus value of D, 1 multiplied by 4, 1 multiplied by 4 plus value of X is 4 multiplied by 1, 4 multiplied by 1. So value of ODX is 0 plus 4 plus 4, it means 8. Now option D is VTM. So value of V is 2 multiplied by 4. Now value of T, 3 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 2 plus value of M, 2 multiplied by 3. So 8 plus 6 plus 6, it means 20. So least total. So option C is the least total from given alternatives. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So now let's move to the next question. So now next question is question number 58. If the given interchange name sign plus and divide, according to question, plus becomes divide. Now divide becomes plus, and numbers 2 becomes 4 and 4 becomes 2 are made in sign and numbers. Which one of the following 4 equations would be correct? In these questions, options are taken one by one and check which one will follow correctly. So taking option A. So according to option A, 2 means 4, plus means divide, 4 means 2. Now divide means plus, 3 is equals to 3. So divide the numbers. 4 divided by 2, it means 2, plus 3 is equals to 3. 2 plus 3, it means 5 is equals to 3. 5 not equals to 3. It means option A is the incorrect option. Now taking option B. So according to option B, 2 means 4. Now plus becomes divide. 4, it means 2. Now divide becomes plus, 6 is equals to 8. So divide the numbers. 4 divided by 2, it means 2. 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. So 2 plus 6, it means 8 is equals to 8. Yes, 8 always equals to 8. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. So now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 59. A, B, C, D and E sit around a circular table and play rummy. A is sitting 1 seat away to the left of C and B is sitting 1 seat away to the right of C. If D sits between B and C, who sit to the immediate left of A? So 5 persons, A, B, C, D and E are sitting around a circular table and play rummy. So play rummy, it means all are facing towards the center. So 5 persons, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 persons are playing rummy. Now A sit 1 seat away to the left of C. Let's suppose here is C. So this is the right of C and this is the left of C. So now according to information, A is sitting 1 seat away to the left of C. So A is one seat away. So now here is A. A is 1 seat away from C. Now B is sitting 1 seat away to the right of C. B is sitting 1 seat. This is the right direction of C. So here is B. B is 1 seat away from the C in the right direction. If D sits between B and C, if D sit between B and C, so now here is D. Now here is E. Now who sit to the immediate left of A? This is the left side of A and this is the right side of A. So who sit immediate left of A? B sit to the immediate left of A. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Now question number 60. In the question below consists of a question and two statement number 1 and 2 given below it. You have to decide whether the data provided in the statements are sufficient to answer the question. Read both the statements and give answer. So question is, find the what is the shortest distance between Devipur and Rampur. Find the distance, find the shortest distance between Durgapur and Devipur. Durgapur and Devipur. Now statement according to statement first. First taking both statements separately. So first according to statement first. Durgapur is 20 km away from Rampur. Durgapur is 20 km away from Rampur. So now distance between Durgapur and Rampur is 20 km. In this statement, nothing has been mentioned about Devipur. So it means statement first alone is not sufficient to answer the question. Now taking a statement second. So according to statement second, Devipur is 15 km away from Rampur. Devipur is 15 km away from Rampur. So in statements second, nothing has been mentioned about Durgapur. So statement second alone is not sufficient to answer the question. So option A and option B are the incorrect option. Now combine the both statements. So when combine the both statement, Durgapur is 20 km away from Rampur. Now Rampur is 15 km away from Devipur. Find the shortest distance. Even after combine the both statements, the direction of places is not given. So the shortest distance between Durgapur and Rampur, let's suppose this is the here is Rampur. Now Devipur is 15 km south of Rampur. So this is the shortest distance between Devipur and Rampur. And now according to this case, this is the shortest distance between Devipur and Durgapur. And in case number 2, this is the shortest distance between Durgapur and Devipur. So both statements are together are not sufficient to answer the question. So it means option C also incorrect. Now so it means option D, the data in neither statement first and no statement second are sufficient to answer the question. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. We have finished the solution. I hope you understood it well. If you have any query and doubt regarding the solution, please log in the website and click ask the doubt option and write your doubt there. And any new updates regarding the Matrix Olympiad will be updated on this YouTube channel. So please subscribe the channel for more updates. You can also have new updates on our WhatsApp channel. To join, click on the links provided in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Have a good time.